Hey, here I am, Scary again, and I'm enameling. And today I want to show you how I take myself from these ideas to a finished product like this. Yes. Sorry my light's not real good here, but it is what it is. So I've already started. I have these pieces here cut out of copper. I cut everything by hand with my trusty little saw. Yes, every piece. And in this batch, so I do a batch of enameling that maybe lasts for weeks. And everything, it goes from here to here by using powdered glass. That's what's in here. And firing it in a kiln. And they're instant fires. And so I have a firing going on right now. Let's see if it's done. It is. It's done. See that? So the kiln is at about 850 Celsius. So, now of course, these pieces are very hot. And I've got one layer of enamel on them. This is the top layer. And they're going to cool. And then I'm going to put a back layer on them. So let's take these pieces. Now I've washed and cleaned these. They're all scrubbed up. And I'm going to take those. And I'm going to, this is how we do it. This is a little sieve that I use so that I get a nice even coat. And I always do my earrings together so that they can sort of be close. Even though in this batch, this is totally different from me. I'm doing some organic pieces that are not matching, that are not the same on purpose, versus that's not how I've done it before. So now, I mean, this glass is expensive and important, and so we keep it. And we're going to move on with the next step here. So let's see if these guys are, so I don't know if you can see that. You can't see that. There's some dirt on the back, and the dirt comes off. And then, I guess you're not seeing this, sorry. Get the dirt off the back. They're still a little warm. I clean them up. And get them back on here. Because now we're going to do the back. See if there's some. If you don't put glass on the back, the glass on the front will curl the metal, and the glass on the front will break off. So that's why we do what's called counter enameling. And did I miss a piece? I think, am I missing a piece? I think I'm missing a piece. You know, this is the fun of it all. I have been enameling for more than 40 years, and I love it. And why do I love it? Because every piece is still an experiment. Oh, I'm not quite finished. It could be, but yes, every piece is an experiment. just what I love so much about all of this. So, as we wait for that, yes, there are many variables when you are enameling. There are variables such as the heat of the kiln,